Hey, congratulations on completing this Facebook outreach course. In this bonus lecture, I want to show you a few things that I think is most important in Facebook marketing. First of all, I want to revert you back to where before we have the Facebook, right? How do you run the advertising? If you have a product or service to offer, how do you get people to know you, right? How do you connect with people, right? You want to go to the most traffic sites, right? You stay there and you shout out loud or use your ad banners to tell people what you're offering and what you have, right? That's what you want to do. And in the past, right? But there's one problem with that. With that general advertising, you're seeing a huge traffic of people, but you never know who exactly is your customer, right? You can only tell if they pass your ad banners. You just see them pass by, and from what they look or how they dress or what they are doing, you try to guess that what they are doing, who they are, and how you can, whether they are your customer or not, and how you can offer your product to them, right? So that's the problem with the traditional banner-based advertising. Either you go to the most traffic sites to advertise with your image or video, or you just go to the highest traffic site in your city and to try to run advertising. But you never know the details about the who you're targeting to or who are your potential customers, because at that time we don't have all those data, right? All those data, even though we have so many customers who may potentially buy your product, but you never know who they are, or never connect with them, or never know the data, what they do each day, or how they want to do what they want to do for the day, right? So that's the day before the Facebook. And after Facebook, first of all, the first bit when Facebook first started out, early 2000, I think, 2004 or 2005, right? Everybody was seeing Facebook like a connection tools, right? You want to connect with your friends in your college or in your high school, or even all the way to the elementary school or primary school. Middle school, right? All those friends you lost contact with, you lost connection to, and now you're connected through this networking, right? And even before Facebook was there was definitely some sort of social networking application there, but they never really make that huge impact like Facebook, because initially they're campus or university based, right? That means each university graduate or university student, they can connect with other friends in the same unit, right, in the same university. Or if you're working for one company, you can connect with all your coworkers or colleagues or managers in one company through the professional network, which is LinkedIn, which is later on, right? But Facebook, the power of Facebook is everyone, either they may start their professional job, or they can work for their own business, or they can work on some creative arts, right? But they definitely went to the same school, like a high school or university. And with that, you can connect them all the people on the one platform, and each day they go there, they see what their friends are doing, they share content, they share posts, they're publish about their marriage status, what kind of course they are taking, and what kind of school they are going, and what kind of product they are using, and they review what they want, right? So you have all sorts of data, all sorts of input from different people on this planet, right? On one single platform. And with that, when they launch the advertising platform, is actually use all those data behind all the users in Facebook, right? Facebook has 1 billion users. That means that you have 1 billion people to contribute the different data to this platform, and with your advertising platform will know what they are doing exactly every day. And if you are launching a product, say if you are launching a fitness product, you want to target to those people who love the fitness, who exercise every day, who love the fitness product, who potentially could buy those fitness products. Where did you get them? If before the Facebook, you just go to those maybe go to those fitness related website or forum to advertise about your product, right? But you never know who they are, or who your customer are, and what exact data about them, right? But with Facebook, guess what? You just go to their advertising platform and target exactly what you think could be your potential customer, could be your audience, could buy your product. You just target them. Facebook even give you the sizing features that you can estimate that how many people you're estimating to target to, right? You can estimate the revenue you can get from those, and you can deliver your advertising to them, right? You can get a feedback from them, you can reverse back and to split test on different ad sets to see which one works the best. So that's the magic of Facebook on advertising and how to promote your product. And with this powerful platform, you can actually reach out to people never before, right? Before the Facebook, you can only, like I said, you can only use my binary ads, or you never know anything about your actual user or actual the data from them. With Facebook advertising, you're actually using the exact science of advertising to promote every product, right? And let's face it, in internet marketing, everyone needs to sell their product, need to advertise their product, need to let people know their product, right? No matter how good your product quality is. But if you just leave it in your in-house, right? Nobody knows it. Nobody will ever be using it, even though it's so good. If you don't let people know, you don't advertise or promote yourself, nobody will know about your product or service. That's the power of Facebook, and that's the power of social media marketing. But I want to highlight one thing is, even though social media platforms are so popular right now, everybody is on it, everyone is using something on it, or either they contribute or publish their content, or they consume or read their friends' content there, and advertisers or the merchants, they want to advertise their product or service on there, right? That's the strong forces from different group of people, right? They're so popular, but it may or may not last forever, because social network will last forever, but the network site like Facebook or different sites or new forms of sites to help people to connect with each other and also exchange informations may change in the future. That means the Facebook might not be the Facebook forever, right? Apparently it will not be the forever, but at least for now, this is the most popular social media platform you can use, and it has all the data, all the people, and you can easily find out the target audience for your product and to sell your product. So you definitely want to master this skill in order to sell more and to realize more sales for your product or service. And learn through this course. In all the information we provide you, you can get to know who you are targeting to, and know the exact science and how to use Facebook to promote your products. And that's the power of Facebook marketing, right? I hope you learn a lot from this course, and I'm Henry Zhang here, and I'll see you in my next course. Thank you and have a great day.